Hello, friends! Are you ready to play a fun word-guessing game? Look at the picture, check the letters, and guess the word. You'll get the answer at the end of the video, so keep watching. Let's begin! Here are all the answers. Pause the screen and check. How many did you get right? Great job, little genius! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun!